Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about distributing irrational coefficients. So to start that, I'm going to start by just reminding you what I mean by distributing. So when you have something that's being multiplied to an entire group, you have to make sure everything gets multiplied by that coefficient. So this would be 2x plus 4. Okay, so we just left the 2 in front of the x because we couldn't really combine those at all, but we could multiply the 2 and the 2 to get 4. Okay, but what if the coefficient in front wasn't so nice? So what if instead it was the square root of 3? Okay, so if I'm going to go ahead and distribute that in, okay, you just do it like normal. Make sure you multiply it to everything. Okay, the irrational number and this quadratic variable here, they can't combine, so it just goes in front as a coefficient. Okay, same with the 2 and the root 3. You can't combine those because one's rational and one's irrational, so there's no way to combine them, so they just kind of stay multiplied together with the x. Now, the last one on this one is different because they both are irrational. So to multiply those together, all right, we'd say, okay, well, the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the same thing as the square root of 3 squared. So those are inverses. So they're going to cancel each other out. And I'm left with just a 3 for that part, okay? Now, there's another way to think about that, too. I want to talk about, too. You can also multiply the two insides together and think about it that way. So that'd be the square root of 9, and we'd still end up with 3, okay? One more example would be if we had something like maybe a pi. So let's say I had a pi to distribute in front. Okay, this pi is irrational and nothing else on the page here is irrational or in this group that we're distributing it to. So as you distribute it, there's not much you can do. You just kind of give it to every term. That way we know it's there, but we're still being nice and exact. So that would be the standard form aligning with the above distribution. Good luck. Hope that helps.